Hi friends, let's study negotiable instruments today. Negotiable instruments are of two types. One is promissory note, second is bill of exchange. Generally in 99% cases, bill of exchanges are used under LC transaction. In some cases only promissory notes are used. Now let's study the promissory note first. Promissory note is the simplest part in the negotiable instrument. It has only two parties. One is the drawer and second is the drawee or the payee. If the document is under LC, the drawer is the issuing bank. Remember, here the drawer promises to pay to the order of the drawee or the payee. Okay, so here the drawer is the issuing bank in case of under LC. If the document is not under LC, then the drawer is the buyer because he has purchased the goods and he has to pay. And here, if the document is under LC, the drawee is the beneficiary's bank. And if the document is not under LC, then it is the exporter himself or his bank. Either of the two cases is allowed. But if it's under LC, it is compulsorily his bank. Okay. Now we'll study bill of exchange. Let's study bill of exchange now. Promissory note had two parties, drawer and drawee. Here there are three parties, drawer, drawee and payee. Actually, when there is a payee, there should be a payer. So actually there are four parties, drawer, drawee, payer and payee. Payee means who, the beneficiary, whom it is to be received. Drawer means on whom it is drawn. Payer means who is going to pay. Remember, the drawee and the payer are the same parties. That's why we call there are three parties in bill of exchange. Now, what does this mean? This guy, drawer, instructs the drawee to pay to the order of this payee. Means this guy can give the order to anyone. Means to receive the funds. Now, if the document is under LC, then this drawer means the one who issues the order would always be the same beneficiary or the seller or the exporter. The one on whom it is drawn under LC, it will be the issuing bank, not the buyer, because under LC the buyer we are not concerned, we are concerned with the issuing bank. So this would be the drawee, and who would be the payee then? This beneficiary means exporter's bank would be the payee. Means to the order of this bank, this drawee has to pay. Now if the document is not under LC, then the drawer remains the same, exporter. Now the drawee changes because in LC this bank had given the guarantee of payment, but if it's not under LC, means under collections, then this bank has nothing to do. So the drawee would be changing. The drawee would be the buyer because who has purchased the goods and who is bound to pay. So drawee would be this, and payee. Now payee would be any of the two parties, means either the beneficiary himself because he is to receive the funds ultimately, or if his bank has negotiated the documents, means discounted. Negotiated is not a proper word. If it has negotiated the documents, then this bank would be the beneficiary, means the payee. So remember, if it's not under LC, anyone can be the payee, either the seller or his bank. If it's not under LC, the drawee is the buyer himself. If it's under LC, drawee is the issuing bank. So this was regarding the negotiable instruments. You can follow this videos, follow this channel for these videos. Also, you can download with explanations question bank from uagro.com for CDCS. You can also download this app to get the videos plus online tests plus other educational important notes on this directly live. So keep studying, keep watching. Thank you.